Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana. In this video, it's going to be something completely different. As you can tell, this is not my bathroom. This is actually a family member's bathroom, and we were spending the day at the family member's house, so I decided to tackle their bathroom and just switch it up for you guys, seeing as though you always get to see my home. Now, starting off, this bathroom was pretty bad. Mostly the tub and the toilet as well, but I really wanted to tackle both of them, and mostly the toilet just because I'm spending the day there and my children are there, so I wanted to get the toilet cleaned up. So for the cleaning products, I will not be using any of my own cleaning products. I am using theirs. And first I will be using the Mr. Clean Clean Freak Deep Cleaning Mist. Then I will be going over that with Ajax, like a powdered bleach. And I will be using one of their rags and a Mr. Clean eraser.
It's coming over me. It's everywhere I see. It feels like ecstasy. Our chemistry surrounds me. Wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it. Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally.
So for the toilet, I am using the same exact cleaning products, also some toilet cleaner. And I just wiped down the toilet really well and scrubbed the toilet very well. You can't tell in this video, but I worked on this toilet for about like 5 minutes because I really wanted the toilet to be very much clean. And this video was maybe a week from me doing this voiceover. So when we went back, they did put a new toilet seat in. So that toilet seat is no longer there.
Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay.
let me know if you enjoy seeing me clean other people's homes. I am kind of interested in, just giving you guys a little more different content of like cleaning different family members' homes at the moment, just family members' homes. So just let me know if you like the fact that I have a different room to clean than the usual of just my house.
What if you were gone to someone else so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
And real quick, I just really wanted to put in here, yes, I know I didn't use gloves. This is a family member's home, but trust and believe, I definitely washed my hands about at least 5-6 different times. So yes. And this mop may look familiar. I used this mop in my last cleaning video from my home. I decided to give them this mop. It was just a little bit cheaper. I had got it from Ollie's, and I decided to buy myself the cedar mop, I think it's called. So you will be seeing me use that in later videos. But as for this mop, this family member now has this mop.
I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, a new look on someone else's home instead of my own, as I've said before. I hope you really did enjoy it though and got some cleaning motivation. And yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.